నేను క్రాంతి టాలీవుడ్ కి వసుమతిగా వచ్చి సీఎం మనసే కాదు టాలీవుడ్ ప్రేక్షకుల మనసు కూడా దోచేసింది. భరత్ అనే నేనుతో బ్లాక్ బస్టర్ అందుకుంది. కియారా అద్వానీ మనతో ఉంది. తనతో మాట్లాడదాం. టాలీవుడ్ ఎంట్రీ ఎలా ఉంది, అలాగే సక్సెస్ ఎలా సాధించింది, తను ఎలా ఫీల్ అవుతుంది క్యారెక్టర్ పట్ల, తనతో మాట్లాడదాం. హాయ్ కియారా, హౌ ఆర్ యూ?
I'm really good. How are you?
I'm fine and hearty congratulations to you.
Thank you. Thank
Already
you so
movie
much.
100 crores gross దాటింది. How are you feeling like?
Amazing. I mean, first movie in Telugu and to be such a big blockbuster. I think somewhere we were all confident about it because right from I remember the time Shiva sir narrated the script to me, I was like, this is a winner. This is a script, this is a story which it has everything, you know, what you want to watch, what people can relate to. It's just at the perfect time a film like this is coming. So it's fingers crossed. Now we just go up. It's only 2 days and 100 crores. So now third, fourth, fifth, now the whole week is left. So I hope this becomes our biggest film.
And how are you feeling working with Tollywood? Tollywood లో మీరు డెబ్యూ ఇచ్చారు, సూపర్ స్టార్ తో వర్క్ చేశారు, ఫస్ట్ టైం టాలీవుడ్ లో అసలు బిగ్ ఎంట్రీ. సో మీకు ఎలా అనిపిస్తుంది వర్కింగ్ విత్ సూపర్ స్టార్ మహేష్ బాబు?
It was definitely a dream launch. It was I mean, you know, they say the perfect, everything was perfect. I had a big superstar I was starring opposite, an amazing director, an amazing script, such a lovable character role, that now I think with so much love and appreciation and everybody you know, showing us so much love for the film, it's hitting me now that, oh my god, I've worked with such a big star. Because Mahesh sir is just, he's so humble, he's so chilled out. You know, he doesn't come on set like I'm this big superstar. He comes like, hi, good morning, talks to everybody. So now seeing the love and the respect and how they're putting garlands on the posters and all, and I was like, oh my god, now I know why he's such a big superstar.
అంటే మీరు అంతకుముందు బాలీవుడ్ లో వర్క్ చేశారు, టాలీవుడ్ లో డెబ్యూ.
Yeah.
హౌ ఆర్ యూ ఫీలింగ్? అంటే డూ యూ ఫైండ్ ఎనీ డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ ద బాలీవుడ్ అండ్ టాలీవుడ్?
I think only language, but everything else is the same. Actually, everybody on the film also are technicians I've worked with in, or I've known of, whose work I've known of, who've done a lot of films in Hindi as well. So everything except for the language was the only challenge, and otherwise it's all the same. It's amazing.
అండ్ వసుమతి క్యారెక్టర్ అంటే శివ గారు మీకు నరేట్ చేసినప్పుడు, కొరటాల శివ గారు, హౌ డిడ్ యూ ఫెల్ట్ లైక్? అంటే మీ పర్సనల్ లైఫ్లో ఐడెంటికల్గా అనిపించిందా?
I think definitely I could relate to Vasumati because she's a very, you know, she's a very sweet, homely, lovable girl. The characterization also is very respectful. Like how I feel like somewhere I'm like that. I'm like that with my family or with my friends. Or if I had to meet the CM, I would be as coy and shy and like how Vasumati was. So I never felt like I had to act in the film. It was just very natural. And Mahesh sir is known to be so subtle and natural in his acting. So, you know, when we used to do the scenes together, it used to just flow. It was very organic. It never felt like I had to put on this whole... I am a little more bubbly, I think, than Vasumati. She's a little more, you know, proper. But I think that was a fun. Balancing that out was interesting.
అంటే వాట్ మేడ్ యూ టు యాక్సెప్ట్ దిస్ మూవీ? అంటే మీ క్యారెక్టరైజేషన్ నచ్చిందా, లేకపోతే సూపర్ స్టార్ మహేష్ బాబు గారితో వర్క్ చేయటం అంటే మీకు అనిపించిందా, లేకపోతే వాట్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ టు గ్రాబ్ దిస్ ఆపర్చునిటీ?
I think a mix of all of it. I did get a few offers from Telugu films when I started my career after my first Bollywood movie, but at that time I was not ready to take up the challenge of learning that, you know, the language. Plus I had 2 films I had signed which I was shooting for, so that I didn't have the time to give to do a Telugu film. Then when Namrata ma'am called me for Bharat ane Nenu, she said, meet Shiva sir, he's a very, very good director. And I had seen Srimanthudu as well. So when Shiva sir came to Mumbai and met me, and then of course I knew Mahesh was in the film, I was like, if I debut in Tollywood, it should be something, it should be a film people want to watch. And their combination coming back together, Mahesh sir of course getting an opportunity to work with him was an experience I wanted. And the character, like you said, you know, Vasumati was just so lovely. She was the romantic elements in the story. It's very interesting as an audience to watch that. So all these things together just made me grab this opportunity, and I mean today it's done so well that looking back, I'm very grateful that this was my first film in Telugu.
ఆఫ్టర్ రిలీజింగ్ అంటే మీకు వచ్చిన మంచి కాంప్లిమెంట్ ఏంటి?
So many compliments have come from all the fans, the audience. Everybody. So I already signed my second film, and everybody's kept asking me in Tollywood that you've already signed your second film, this that. I said I've signed it. I'm waiting for the audience acceptance. I want to know how the audience accepts me. Critics' reviews have been very, very kind, and they've been really good with the reviews. So that was a big plus. And then the audience kept sending, their social media messages and showing so much love and adulation for the character, for the film. And that's when I was like, okay, I think the audience has liked me as the local Hyderabadi girl, what we've done in the film. So that for me was the best compliment.
ఈ మూవీలో అంటే సీన్స్ లో మీరు యాక్ట్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు ఏ సీన్ కి మీరు బాగా అంటే హార్ట్ టచింగ్ అనిపించిన సీన్ ఏంటి చెప్పండి?
I think the emotional scene when the media finds out. I also love the scene that Mahesh sir does with the press meet scene. Everybody's talking about it. I mean, I had goosebumps when I watched that scene for the first time. And it's a very true to life scene as well. Sometimes we touch upon a celebrity or a public person's personal life without much knowledge, and it gets blown out of proportion, and we never realize that at the end of the day they're also human beings. So Vasumati is, at the end of the day, she's a very she comes from a middle class home, simple family background. So for her to come into the media glare and be stereotyped without people knowing the relation they shared, that whole scene in the train was something. It was very emotional to do I was doing with my father in the movie. That was a very emotional scene, and now that I've seen the film, it's even come out quite nicely. So yeah, I think that was my favorite scene.
మూవీలో ఒక సీఎం వచ్చి మిడిల్ క్లాస్ అమ్మాయికి ప్రపోజ్ చేస్తారు. అంటే పర్సనల్ లైఫ్ లో మీకు ఎవరైనా అంటే సీఎం కానివ్వండి ఆ పొజిషన్ లో ఉన్న వాళ్ళు వచ్చి ప్రపోజ్ చేస్తే హౌ డు యూ ఫీల్?
In my real life, if I don't know, whoever comes and proposes to me in my real life, nobody has proposed to me as yet. If I like the person, then that's what matters. I don't think we choose love knowing the profession.
పొలిటికల్లీ నరేటెడ్ మూవీ. ఇందులో హీరోయిన్ కి అంటే జనరల్లీ అంటే పర్సెప్షన్ హీరోయిన్ కి పెద్ద స్కోప్ ఉండదు అని అనుకుంటాం, కానీ మీకు మంచి రోల్ వచ్చింది. అండ్ జనరల్ గా మహేష్ బాబు గారు ఎలాంటి మూవీస్ చేసినా కూడా హీరోయిన్ కి మంచి రోల్ ఉంటుంది. సో మీకు కూడా సేమ్ అలాగే మంచి స్కోప్ ఉన్న క్యారెక్టర్ వచ్చింది. సో
I think it's very important to know how the role fits into the whole story. For me, it's not so important as how much screen time you have or how much importance is given in terms of it should go with the story, not ki it's just there for fillers, for gags or comedy. It should have something to do with the story. And in this film, yes, it's a political story, but the way the romance angle comes in, all of it was very interesting, I thought. And again, I think Shiva sir, he adds a lot of depth and emotion to the female characters. So I knew that it was an interesting role to play, especially in the first films. So yeah.
అండ్ తెలుగు అంటే కల్చర్ షాక్ కానీ లేకపోతే లాంగ్వేజ్ బ్యారియర్ కానీ ఏమైనా అనిపించిందా మీకు?
Nothing culture shock for sure. People are the same. I think upbringing, Indians, we are all Indians at the end of the day. It's amazing that we have so many languages. But language, yes, it's different. And little I'm in context I can understand. Like now when you're asking me, I can figure out what you're saying. But I think it will take me a few more movies to, maybe the next movie I'll have an interview with you speaking in Telugu, hopefully. But it will take a while before that.
అంటే డైలాగ్ చెప్పినప్పుడు అంటే జనరల్ గా హీరోయిన్ అంటే ఎమోషన్స్, ఇట్ కంప్లీట్లీ అబౌట్ ద ఎమోషన్స్, హౌ డు యూ క్యారీ ద క్యారెక్టర్. ఎలా అనిపిస్తుంది అంటే మీకు డైరెక్టర్ చెప్పింది మీరు అండర్స్టాండ్ చేసుకొని అది ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్స్ లో చూపించాలి. యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఎక్స్ప్రెస్. సో అక్కడ మీకు ఎప్పుడన్నా టఫ్ అనిపించిందా?
Language is, I'm not thinking in Telugu, I'm thinking in Hindi or in English when I'm saying the dialogue. My other emotions become more strong. So, like I remember Namrata actually told me, she said, whatever you do, don't think of the lines, you stick to your emotion. And she told me this before when I was telling, I was like, but how will I do it in, because at first I'm an actor. So for me, it's important to have complete control over the lines and everything I'm doing. So I was like, if I don't know the language, how will I emote? If I want to improvise, how will I do that? So she said, hold the emotion and it's okay. They'll figure it out, because dubbing me we can correct if one word goes like up and down. I was going to say Hindi.
No problem.
But yeah, if one word goes up and down. And but I think actually I have to thank Shiva sir, because he gave me the dialogues also well in advance. So I would learn my dialogues, and once they were in me and I could just not think about the dialogues, then the emotion would just flow. Except for the days that we would get the dialogues on set and I would be like, oh God, I have 1 hour to learn this and I have to do this. But they were very patient, and even Mahesh sir was very patient with me, to do the lines. He never put pressure. He would help me. He would say, oh, say this line a little faster. Like this is, don't stress on this word, or how you're saying it correct. So he would encourage me while we were shooting, which made me comfortable then to go ahead with it and do it well.
అంటే మహేష్ గారితో వర్క్ చేస్తే, అంటే ఆయన బయట అయితే కొంచెం కామ్ గా ఉంటారు,
Yeah.
సెట్స్ లో ఎలా ఉండేవాళ్ళు మీతోటి?
He's very calm on set. He's he's very focused also. Sometimes he'll crack, to make the mood light, he'll crack his jokes. And the minute he smiles and laughs, everybody, you know how it is. I think he's got the best smile in the industry. But I always say he's a team player. I feel he's somebody who sees the scene as a whole. I've noticed that he'll always say, let's do one more take, so one more, I'll try this, I'll try that. And even like if I'm giving my close-up and it's only my close-up, he'll stand, give me cues. Sometimes what happens is an AD will give you the cues, but Mahesh sir likes to be there because he feels that energy will play off the way we did it when we had our 2 shot. So I think it's just his love for cinema that makes him give it his all. When he's on set from that 9 to 6 shift or whatever our shift is, he has his full 200% energy, focus. He's right there. He's doing, his best. And for me, as a newcomer, as an upcoming artist, I feel I have so much. Just watching him, I can learn so much. And of course, there's so many years of experience that he has. So it was a journey that will be very special for me.
మహేష్ బాబు గారు అంటే ఆల్రెడీ హీఈస్ సూపర్ స్టార్ రైట్ హియర్.
Yeah.
సో హౌ డు యూ ఫెల్ట్ లైక్ ఫస్ట్ ఇన్ వర్కింగ్ విత్ హిమ్?
I remember the first day we worked with Mahesh sir, the scene was such that Vasumati also meets CM for the first time. So that little nervousness that I had was good for the scene also.
Oh, it helped you.
It helped me in the scene. So it was great that we started with that scene. And that day was the day Mahesh sir was talking to me so much because he just broke the ice completely. Namrata came on set because she knows me well. So she's like, chalo, your first day and all, I'll come. So the atmosphere it felt like, very, there was family, like a friendly atmosphere. So I think it was smooth sailing from there only.
And music was
Yeah,
really
lovely.
really good.
DSP Garu is just
me
something else.
name మీద వసుమతి. Yeah,
That
ఆ
song, yeah. I think even all my friends in Mumbai, my Bollywood colleagues are loving it, which makes me really happy that, the film has really gone pan-India already. And all the songs are so good and they're so different from each other. I think DSP is a rock star. I'm like, he needs to do some Hindi music also. He's just superb.
ఏ మీకు ఫేవరెట్ సాంగ్ ఏంటి?
Vasumati is definitely a favorite, but I really like the title track.
Oh,
I love that song. It's been on loop since it's come out. But the album is on loop in my car every day, everywhere. So yeah.
అంటే హమ్ చేయగలరా మా కోసం 2 lines? Can you hum for
Yeah,
us?
sure. Of the people, for the people, by the people, this is me. Yeah, that song is.
ఏ నైస్ వాయిస్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు డూ. బాగా మీకు నచ్చిన సీన్ ఏంటి అంటే వైల్ షూటింగ్ ఆర్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ద ఆన్ స్క్రీన్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఐ మీన్ బెస్ట్, ఐ మీన్ ఈ సీన్ లో నేను చాలా బాగా చేశాను, ఐ డిడ్ బెస్ట్ ఇన్
In
దిస్
this
సీన్,
scene?
అలాంటి సీన్ ఏది చెప్పండి.
I think that train scene, um, that when I leave for my village and he, after the media makes the whole ruckus out of the personal life, that scene is come out quite nicely. Actually it's a very small scene also, but in those few moments the emotion is very gripping. You know, with my father in the film and myself, and I think even while we were shooting that scene, we could feel the emotion in that scene. So that scene I feel has come out really nicely, I think. Yeah.
మీకు డైలాగ్ చెప్పినప్పుడు ఈజీ డైలాగ్ ఆర్ టఫ్ డైలాగ్ ఏది అనిపించింది?
So there's one dialogue in the film that I remember like it's means if you wake me up also it'll because I had learned it so well, and when we were doing that, it's with Mahirsa only, when we were doing that scene, he told me you have to say it very fast, you can't say it like, don't take pauses. So I looked at him, I said, this is like you're telling me, I'll tell you say Chinese so fast, how will you do it? He said, you'll do it, just do it. And because I did it, and because I said so fast, it's that memory is so good that dialogue I remember. I say, traffic rules విషయంలో మీరు అంత హార్ష్గా ఉంటే రియలీ గ్రేట్, కాకపోతే రోడ్స్ కూడా కొంచెం బాగు చేయాలి, అట్లీస్ట్ ఆ వచ్చిన ఫైన్స్లో అయినా కొంచెం చేయొచ్చు. Now I don't know if I've got the intonation correct, but that was the dialogue which I always remember. Yeah.
అండ్ రామ్ చరణ్ గారితో వర్క్ చేయబోతున్నారు, హౌ ఆర్ యూ ఫీలింగ్ లైక్?
So I'm going to join Boyapati sir and Ram Charan and everybody from tomorrow. So looking forward. I'm in Hyderabad to start my second film, and it's such an auspicious occasion because we're starting it right after the success of my first film. So I'm looking forward to that experience.
సో ఇప్పటి వరకు సెట్స్ కి వెళ్ళలేదు, రామ్ చరణ్ గారిని మీట్ అయ్యారా మీరు?
I met Ram Charan sir when we did the Muhurat shot, and he came for the after party when we went from our audio launch. So I met him 2 times, but the first time that we were seen together, we worked together. So I look forward to that.
ఓకే, ఇంకా మీ ఫ్యూచర్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ ఏంటి?
So this film with Charan, I have a release coming in June. It's a Hindi film that I've done with Karan Johar has directed it.
Okay.
And it will be released for the first time on Netflix as well. So we're going quite global with the film. So I'm looking forward to that also.
అండ్ టాలీవుడ్ లో ఇంకా ఆఫర్స్ ఏమైనా వచ్చాయా మీకు?
There are some offers. I hope I can balance it out because I'd like to do both Hindi and Tollywood. Now I'm doing a second Tollywood film. So let's see, hopefully.
ఒక క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటంటే, మహేష్ గారి చాలా గ్లామర్ గా ఉంటారు ఆన్ స్క్రీన్, అసలు అయితే ఆయన చాలా హ్యాండ్సమ్ గా ఉంటారు. జనరల్ గా హీరోయిన్స్ అంటే ఆయనకి మ్యాచ్ అవ్వడానికి మేకప్ అవుతూ ఉంటారు. అంటే హౌ డు యూ ఫీల్, అంటే మీకు ఎలా అనిపించింది?
Audience thinks that we made a good match. The chemistry and all they've been writing to us. So if they've liked the Jodi, then that's great. But yeah, he's a very good looking hero, and I think I don't know. I think they have liked the pairing, so that's important. Yeah.
ఫైనల్ గా ఈ మూవీ చూసిన ఆడియన్స్ కి మీరు ఏం చెప్తారు?
I just genuinely want to thank everybody who has watched the movie and shown our entire team so much love. All the fans, all the Mahesh Babu fans, they've really given so much love. Even to me, they've accepted me so graciously and made me feel so welcome. It's because of them that I want to do more movies. You know, if there is a demand and they want to see me, then I'll push myself and work harder to do movies in this language as well. So yeah, so long as people want to see me, I'll definitely be here to entertain them and give back all that love. So yeah, just a big thank you from my heart, honestly.
Thank you so much for being here, Kiara. We
My
wish you
pleasure.
all